Oatmeal is more commonly thought of as a diet food, but it can help you gain weight too. In fact, making healthy diet foods, like oatmeal and milk, part of your meal plan as you gain weight ensures you're getting lots of nutritional value, instead of packing on the pounds by eating fast food. If you're looking to gain weight, opt for higher-calorie milks and use calorie-dense toppings to boost the energy content of your oatmeal. Choose whole or chocolate milk. When you're trying to gain weight, relatively high-calorie drinks like milk are a great way to reach your goals. Sugary beverages, like chocolate milk, don't trigger feelings of fullness. That's a downside when you're trying to shed pounds, but a bonus when you're trying to gain. Add protein to your oatmeal. Gain weight with oatmeal by adding high-protein mix-ins. Getting enough protein is especially important if you're trying to gain muscle mass because the amino acids abundant in protein-rich foods get reused to make new muscle tissue. The extra calories and protein, paired with a strength training routine, will add new muscle to your frame. Protein also aids in oxygen transport, which is key for healthy muscle function and for feeling alert. Sprinkle other high-calorie toppings. Fat is high in calories, so it can help you hit the calorie target you need to gain weight. Chopped almonds, pecans, and other nuts add healthy fat and calories, too. Up your calorie intake with fruit for weight gain. An extra-large banana, for example, adds 135 calories to your oatmeal. Dried fruits, raisins, mango, banana chips, dehydrated apples and dried cranberries also serve as concentrated sources of calories to help you gain weight. Healthy weight gain serving suggestions. In general, you only need 200 to 500 extra calories daily for safe weight gain. A 1-cup serving of oatmeal topped with a tablespoon of peanut butter or 1-2 cup of mashed banana supplies roughly 250 calories. So eating this as a snack in addition to your regular diet might be enough to help you reach your goals. Experiment with adding other fruits, like a cup of berries or mango chunks, to your oatmeal for weight gain and serve your oats with a glass of whole chocolate milk on the side to add more calories. Milkshakes to gain weight. To gain weight, you need to consume a serious number of calories. Milkshakes are an easy and tasty way to boost your calorie intake. Restaurant and fast food versions are usually full of processed sugar and unhealthy fats that can still cause health problems in the underweight. Being skinny doesn't make you immune to heart disease, high cholesterol, and blood sugar fluctuations. Make your own shakes with calorie-dense foods that offer nutrition to support healthy weight gain.